So today I went to Coles and I picked up a Cadbury Roses tin, a limited edition by Megan Hess, or Megan Hess. So we'll open this up. Okay, lid's off.
The green triangle.
So this is what your roses look like. We've got a list on the back of what's inside. Classic milk, classic caramel, vanilla nougat, hazelnut swirl, peppermint cream crunch, caramel deluxe, hazelnut cream crisp, Turkish Delight, white raspberry, dark mocha nougat. This is obviously the Cadbury product, Cadbury Roses, as opposed to the Quality Street. Our last drop. So I don't know. I haven't tried any to tell you whether they're any better, but I mean everybody knows Cadbury chocolate is. I think Quality Street are better myself, but